Welcome back to MVP Auto Zone. If you're into jaw-dropping design, raw American power, and next-level comfort, then you're about to fall in love. The brand new 2026 Kenworth Truck RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold lifestyle upgrade. And trust me, you've never seen a motorhome like this before. Before we go further, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because what we're about to reveal is pure truck RV royalty. The 2026 Kenworth Truck RV is more than a road warrior, it's a luxury fortress on wheels. Starting with that iconic Kenworth face, it comes with a bold, muscular chrome grille, redesigned LED matrix headlights, and aerodynamic contours that scream modern American engineering. But under all that shine, a beast of a powertrain. We're talking a turbocharged diesel engine with upgraded torque output, optimized for heavy hauls, mountain climbs, and long-range cross-country dominance. It's built to rule the roads, whether you're cruising Route 66 or off-grid in the Rockies. Now step inside, and this is where your jaw's going to drop. The 2026 RV cabin transforms into a 5-star luxury suite. Imagine handcrafted wooden panels, full-grain leather seats, ambient lighting, and touchscreen controls everywhere. It's equipped with a king-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom with rainfall shower, and even a cinema-grade entertainment system. This isn't camping. This is rolling luxury. No compromises, no limits. Tech lovers, you're in for a treat. The Kenworth RV 2026 is powered by an intelligent digital cockpit system. Every vital control is integrated into a wraparound dash, complete with a digital heads-up display, GPS-based route optimization, satellite Wi-Fi, and voice control for literally everything: climate, lighting, even your favorite Spotify playlist. Plus, solar panels on the roof and an advanced battery management system mean you can stay off-grid longer, cleaner, and smarter. But Kenworth didn't forget safety. This RV is packed with ADAS features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. You're not just driving in luxury, you're driving with complete confidence. What truly sets the 2026 Kenworth Truck RV apart is the vibe. It's not just about going from point A to point B. It's about how you feel while doing it. Freedom, control, elegance, and power, all rolled into one unforgettable ride. Whether you're a full-time traveler, a weekend warrior, or someone looking for the ultimate road trip machine, this RV is your dream realized. So, are you ready to command the road like never before? The 2026 Kenworth Truck RV isn't waiting, it's roaring. Let us know in the comments where you'd take this beast first, and don't forget to subscribe to MVP Auto Zone for more elite vehicle reviews, tours, and lifestyle builds.